Have you ever wondered what secrets the Indian subcontinent holds within its diverse landscapes? India, a land of vibrant contrasts and breathtaking beauty, is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be unraveled. Imagine the thrill of standing atop the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, feeling the cold wind whip across your face, or the serenity of lounging on the tropical beaches of Goa with the sun warming your skin and the rhythmic crash of waves serenading your ears. But the allure of India extends beyond its natural wonders. The bustling cities pulse with an energy that's infectious, a blend of tradition and modernity that's uniquely Indian. Venture into the serene countryside and you'll unearth a different side of India, one steeped in rich culture and age-old customs. India is a symphony of experiences, a blend of the old and the new, the familiar and the exotic. Join us on a journey through India, a land of mystique and charm that promises to captivate your senses. Begin your journey in the north, where the majestic Himalayas stand as sentinels of the country. The north is a wonderland of contrasts, where serene valleys of Kashmir, carpeted in flowers, coexist with the vibrant colors and lively culture of Punjab. The dance of the wheat fields in the Punjabi breeze is a sight to behold, a testament to the life that pulses through this region. Further east, the spiritual city of Varanasi, sitting on the banks of the Ganges River, is a sight that seems to be taken straight out of a postcard. The river, considered sacred by many, mirrors the ever-changing colors of the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. And how could anyone forget the architectural marvel that is the Taj Mahal in Agra? A symbol of love, it stands in all its glory, a tribute to the region's rich history and craftsmanship. The north, with its rich history and awe-inspiring landscapes, offers an unforgettable experience. Venture into the south, where nature and culture blend seamlessly. This is a region where tradition and modernity walk hand in hand, creating an irresistible allure for the curious traveler. Let's embark on a journey through the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, lovingly referred to as God's own country. Here, serenity takes on a new meaning as you glide along the placid waters, cocooned in the lush tropical foliage. Next, we journey to Tamil Nadu, the land of ancient temples. These architectural marvels, carved intricately from stone, stand as a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Each temple tells a story, each sculpture sings a song of devotion, and every corner echoes with the whispers of a time long gone. Now, shift gears and step into the bustling tech city of Bangalore. It's a city that's as much about the future as it is about the past. The gleaming skyscrapers and pulsating nightlife offer a striking contrast to the serene temples and tranquil backwaters we just explored. South India is also a food lover's paradise, offering a unique cuisine that's a symphony of flavors. The aroma of freshly ground spices, the tang of tamarind, and the sweetness of coconut milk come together in a riot of tastes that linger on your palate. Don't forget to explore the wildlife sanctuaries that are home to an astounding variety of flora and fauna. The South also boasts a rich tapestry of arts and crafts, each with a distinct style that's deeply rooted in tradition. The South, with its unique blend of modernity and tradition, leaves an indelible imprint on the heart. Experience the vibrancy of the West and East, a contrast of deserts and mountains, cities and villages. Let's immerse ourselves in the colorful state of Rajasthan, where the grand forts and palaces narrate tales of royal valor and romance. Every corner of this state is a canvas painted with hues of tradition and culture. Now, let's transport ourselves to the bustling city of Mumbai, India's own city of dreams. It's a melting pot of cultures, where skyscrapers and slums coexist, stories of rags to riches come alive, and the aroma of street food fills the air. Moving eastward, we find the serene tea gardens of Darjeeling, a haven for tea lovers. The emerald green plantations set against the backdrop of snow-capped mountains create a picture-perfect scenery. Further east, the tribal cultures of the Northeast captivate us with their unique traditions, music, and dance. The West and East, with their contrasting landscapes and cultures, complete the diverse tapestry of India. India, a land of diversity, has something to offer every traveler. From the majestic peaks of the north to the enchanting backwaters of the south, the vibrant colors of the west and the lush greenery of the east, Every corner of India offers an experience rich in culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a curious traveler, the depth and diversity of India's heritage is bound to captivate you. India invites you to embark on a journey of discovery, to explore its rich heritage, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes.